at you. Today we got a 2006 Hummer H3 and we're going to change one of our fog light bulbs. So we're going to go through the process for you. So this fog light, we got a basic Sylvania. It's a 9140. So that's what you're going to need to go ahead and grab from your local parts store. As always, we get a lot of our stuff from AutoZone. That's where we got this from. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. All right, we are under our vehicle and you can see there's a plastic cover right here. But if you look up through this channel, let's see if you can see it. Let's see. There we go. That little blue tab there, that's the fog light bulb. So we're gonna try to see if we can just reach our hand up in here and twist it and unplug this, because we don't really want to take off the wheel and remove this entire plastic housing that's in the wheel well, because this is a pain in the butt to remove all this. So we're gonna try to see if we can reach our hand in here and do it. All right, we did end up popping out one of these little tabs. And you can see this one here. It's right here on the side. This is the one that's by the corner. So it gives us a little bit better access to get up in there. But we were able to stick our hand in there so far and we were able to rotate the light. I think we turned it counterclockwise and that pulled it out of the housing. So we're gonna go ahead and unplug the old bulb and grab the new one. All right, so here's our old bulb. Got that one out. And you can see this little bulb just exploded and cracked. So we're gonna replace it with this new fresh one. And we're gonna throw a little bit of dielectric grease in there. And once you plug your new bulb back in, I use this one as an example. It's our old bulb. Put a little dielectric grease on there, plug it back in, and you're gonna put it into the housing sideways, and you're gonna rotate that thing clockwise, and it should lock right in. So when you have it sideways, these three tabs here, you'll feel them kind of drop down into the notches, and then you twist the thing and you're done. All right, now we just turned our key forward, turned our lights on, and let's check out our results. Hey, we're all good. It's a pretty simple fix. You can do that yourself. You don't really need anyone to give you a hand. But yeah, we're all done here. So I'm gonna toss this in the trash and send it on its way. So for more tips and tricks, follow us on Instagram at The Mechanics Garage. Like and subscribe here on YouTube. Peace.